Spantech has a footprint in the tortilla industry and other hard to convey, hard to transfer, fragile dough and bread products.
Specifically in the tortilla arena, which is what the catalyst was for creating this product, they're very thin and they're very pliable. When a tortilla is transitioning from one conveyor to another or from one conveyor to a transfer, it wants to follow the chain around that drive. With the chordal action, you had to have that larger gap, and it gave the perfect escape route for that tortilla, where it was individual or even on a stack. With stacked tortillas, sometimes you see the stack get through, but it would peel off the bottom one. With the removal of that chordal action, we were able to greatly reduce to almost actually eliminate that gap, and that transition is very smooth and the product is not lost during that transition.
We like to pride ourselves on our ability to convey and transfer difficult product from its origin to wherever you want to take it.
Pillow top has many of the same attributes that all of our chain has. It comes in various different lengths, so you can change them out to have friction or no friction, things along those lines. However, what makes this special is the actual profile itself, hence the name pillow top. When you look at it from the side, it actually has a pillow-like top to it. Pillow top profile, it has that rounded edge, so as the chain transitions through a drive or an idler, it creates a roundness to it. So we're able to get transfers and conveyors much, much closer together without having to leave a larger gap for that chordal action to happen.